right, I'm going to be making this into a class. Theatre Macabre Santos doll. She's an articulated wooden doll that will be put together with these adorable little apothecary items in there, and that's what the part of the class will be as well. I'm going to decorate the whole theater shrine area. We're going to make her blossoming skirt and do some painting. Make her cute little hat. And she does articulate. I'm gonna make these adorable little pumpkins. The structure itself, for the most part, will be made for you, so we're going to be concentrating on decorating it and making the clay pieces that go inside. I will probably have 1 or 2 of them made for you already, so you can go home with some things. And I hope to see you in class. It's going to be at Peacemakers, and I have all the information down below. It's at the end of July of 2024, and there will be a kit that you can purchase when you sign up. I'll see you there.